Okay, so this is how to remove a door handle on a 2021 VW Crafter. Really easy, as long as you know how. First job is remove the rubber cap. That might be a bit tight first time, but once you've had it off once, it's fine. And then we just need to loosen this off. So what we're going to do with this, we're going to loosen it off, probably about 8 turns I think it is, and then pop it in. So let's give it a go. So that's 8 turns. Pull the handle, pop it in, and that should lock. The handle's now locked in place. So if that don't come out now, the lock barrel comes out first. We need a couple more winds out. Pop it in a bit further. There we go. So that pops out. The handle just slides outwards that way, and then you can just pull it. That comes undone. And then the mechanism's fixed in place there, that's what makes these ones easy. So to refit it, straight back in, you'll feel that pop past the mechanism, push it back outwards, you can feel that it's got hold of the mechanism. Pop your lock back in, and then simply tighten this back up, and I'll try and show it. When you get to the right place, handle just pops back in, nip that back up, cap back on, job's done.